All right, we just practiced our improper fraction method. Let's go back to our section 9 paper and we're going to fill in this column right here. We're going to solve the same problems as before, so we should get the same answers, but let's use our improper fraction method. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite 6 times 3 1/5. I want to change my mixed number into an improper fraction. So I'm really going to get 6 times 3, or 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. And then keep my denominator. So 3 1/5 is 16/5. I'm going to put my whole number over 1, so I have numerators and denominators. Let's see, I don't have anything that plays nicely together, so I'm not going to simplify it first, but I'm going to multiply straight across. 6 times 16, I'm going to have to do some long multiplication over here. That's kind of the downside of this method, is we get some bigger numbers. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 1, and 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so 6 times 16 is 96. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, so we got our improper fraction. Now I have to change that back into a mixed number. I'm going to do some long division for that. 96 divided by 5. 5 goes into 9 one time. One group of 5. We'll take that out and we get 4 as a remainder. Bring down our 6. 5 goes into 46 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. We get a remainder of 1. So it's 19 wholes, 1 left over out of 5. So we get 19 1/5. Oh, and we see that that matches up with our other answer of 19 1/5. Same answer, 2 different methods. Personally, I like the distributive property method for this type of problem. I think it's faster, but we do need to know this method for our next problems. All right, 5 3/8 times 9. So 5 3/8 times 9. I'm going to change my mixed number to an improper fraction. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 is 43. So 5 3/8 is 43/8 times 9, and I'm going to put that over 1. So I have numerators and denominators. Okay, it's a little ishy. I have to do 43 times 9. Yuck, but oh well, must be done. Yay, I get to change 387/8 into a mixed number. A little bit gross. Okay, 387 divided by 8. So it goes in 48 times, 48 whole times, 3 left over out of 8. 48 3/8. Oh, and we see we got the same thing over here. Again, for this problem, the distributive property was way more an efficient method, but we'll keep practicing this one because we'll need it for section 10. Okay, let's go ahead and solve our last one. I actually made a mistake when I did this the first time. I said that 2 times 1 was 1, which is not true. That just goes to show that with this method, there's a lot of places to make mistakes, so we just have to be careful. So I'm gonna do this one over again. Here we go. I'm gonna change this mixed number to an improper fraction, and we get, let's see, 12 times 11. Okay, well, 12 times 11 over here, you might know this one. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. Drop your 0. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. Add them together, and we get 132. 12 times 11 is 132, plus 5 is 137. Ugh. Over 12. Well, that's a fun number. 11 5/12 is 137/12. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and multiply these. Now here is where I am going to simplify before multiplying because it's gonna make my life so much easier. I notice my 4 and my 12. I can divide both of those by 4/4, by 1, because 4/4 is 1. All right, 4 divided by 4 is 1, yay. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Ooh, I like this better already. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. 1 times 137 is 137. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so I have 137 thirds. Now I want to change that into a mixed number. I'm going to go ahead and do some long division here. So our mixed number is, I'll write this down here, 45 wholes, 2 remainders out of 3. 45 and 2/3, and you will notice they match up. Again, this property, this method is going to be way more efficient to use, but we still are practicing using that improper fraction method. All right, go ahead and try this improper fraction method. You should get 62 and check on back.